So the backlink machine software will appear in the left menu over here inside your WordPress site. And when you click on this, you will see a list of all your WordPress posts on the site. Now on this screen, you can see the on-page SEO analysis of your post, which is something the Backlink Machine 2.0 also does. And then you can enter your target keyword over here, let's say SEO ranking, and then save this keyword. So now this post basically targets the SEO ranking keyword, and then it automatically analyzes if all these factors match up, because these are important for on-page SEO. So you should basically make sure that your content, your title, your H1, H2 tags are having these keywords. Also, after that, you can click on the Get Backlinks button over here and then start your backlink campaign. So here you can actually enter your keywords, let's say SEO ranking, SEO analysis, SEO marketing, and you can basically enter any number of keywords you want. You can also get keyword ideas from here by clicking on this button, and it'll actually give you some keyword ideas for your site and basically automatically analyze the content of your site and give you those keywords. All right. So basically all these keywords will pop in and then actually show you all these things. Now some of them will be useful and some of them won't be, so you can just remove the ones that you don't like. All right. After that, select the number of backlinks you want. Also, Backlink Machine 2.0 shows you the kind of sources you can actually use for backlinks. So we have a mixed kind of platforms. We have social media profiles, we have social networks, forum profiles, URL shorteners, Wikimedia sites, wiki articles, do follow backlinks from various blogs, article directories, and blog comments as well. So I would prefer to use a mix of platforms. And then you can also select the categories of your site, so you can actually get targeted links. So let's say my site is about affiliate marketing. I will select this so I can actually get targeted backlinks from similar kind of sites. After this, all I have to do is click this button called Get Backlinks, and then it will start building my backlinks. Now, building your backlinks takes anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, and then that's where the campaign processes and you can download your backlink report. We drip feed these backlinks for the next 4 to 10 days so that it appears natural to Google, because we don't want to rush everything and we don't want it to look, that it's been done very quickly. So basically we drip feed these links for your benefit. Also, apart from this, you can also have internal links here, so you can actually add more keywords and link internally to your site. So all your posts can actually interlink automatically, which is really good for your SEO. You can also check for rankings. So you can actually enter a keyword here, let's say SEO ranking, and then it will check for your top 50 results on Google and see if your site is present in that top 50 or not. Now, of course, our site is a new site and is not ranking here, but if it does, it will start highlighting that section and show you your ranking. Also, you can actually see your logs here, and then once the ranking is done, so you can see our request here is processing, but once it is done, you can actually download the backlink report over here, and then you can see your backlink report and that it has been completed, and you have article directories in this other example, and you can download the backlink report over here and you can see them, and you can see the exact URLs of your backlinks in this section. So if you go here, you will see the exact URLs of your backlinks, and you can actually see that these are your backlinks where we have built the links for you. So this is exactly how the backlink machine works, and you can actually start building links for your sites automatically using the software without any manual work, and start ranking higher in Google, Yahoo, and other search engines, and start making more money and sales.
With the Pro version, we not only added some amazing new features, but we also added a complete web platform. Yes, now you can build backlinks for literally any kind of site, HTML site, YouTube videos, social media sites, or even web properties. The possibilities are endless. We also added automatic indexing for all your backlinks. What that means is that every time you build backlinks, we will run all your backlinks through a paid link indexer on our dime. Yes, this will make sure all your backlinks get indexed fast and with 100% accuracy. Wondering what keywords to use when building your backlinks? No worries. The Pro version also gives you a complete keyword research software built right inside Backlink Machine. Just enter your main keywords and get hundreds of ideas for long tail keywords you can build backlinks for and rank your sites. Isn't that amazing? And finally, we added backlink campaigns that will build you backlinks automatically every single day on complete autopilot. We had many customers ask us that they wanted to build 20 or 50 links per day to their sites, and they wanted to fully automate this. Well, now you can. Use the campaigns section of Backlink Machine Pro and you will be able to create a campaign to build any number of backlinks you want every single day for your site. Just set it once and forget it. You can set a campaign to run for 30 days and then switch it up if you want to. Getting regular, consistent backlinks to your sites can be extremely helpful in ranking your sites. And that's exactly what Backlink Machine Pro does for you. So with all these amazing features, a complete web interface, and new credits each month, Backlink Machine Pro is a great software for anyone to have, whether you want to build backlinks to your websites, YouTube videos, or social media pages. This does everything for you.